Infographics are one of the best ways to share your information, but it's a double-edged weapon. Similar to slideshow presentations, a boring design can drive your audience away. We want to help you keep your readers engaged. That's why we introduce you to our 10 best infographic design kits for 2022. All the items included on this list are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you unlimited access to Illustrator templates, UX/UI kits, stationary scenes, and everything in between to bring your projects to life. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Business Infographic by Site2Max. We're starting our countdown with a vast and versatile pack. It includes calendars, timelines, pricing tables, illustrated icons, and charts, making this template suitable for almost any topic. Number 9. Big Infographics Design by Mamanamsai. With a colorful and well-organized design, this template is perfect for creating a corporate infographic. It includes 140 icons, a world map, and 3D graphics and charts, so you can share your information effectively. Number 8. Diagram Infographics by Graphica. Don't miss this pack if you're looking for stunning diagrams to customize or animate. It includes 20 different charts and graphs that are easy to edit in Adobe Illustrator. Perfect for adding a custom diagram to your presentation or explainer video. Number 7. Modern Infographic by Grants Creative. The number 7 spot on this list is a modern, colorful, flower-shaped pack. These templates are editable in Adobe XD, Sketch, and Figma, and are suitable for different displays like web pages, presentations, or printing. Number 6. Libraries Infographics by Tokumu. This pre-made infographic template is suitable for designers and non-professionals to create beautiful infographics quickly. It includes percentage circles, graphs, processes, flowcharts, and timelines to make your data easier to read. If you're finding this roundup useful, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you'll never miss one of our videos that showcase more stunning assets. Number 5. Outline Infographic by Andrew Crass. Outline Infographic is a massive collection with tons of illustrated elements, perfect for creating your own infographic or brochure from scratch. Plus, it comes with 40 ready-to-use templates to ease your workflow and save you valuable time. Number 4. Infographic Simple by BNI MIT. With a minimal and modern design, this template creates an exciting contrast between a simple white background and mint green colors. It includes graphics, charts, and timelines that allow you to create an infographic with a professional finish that's pleasing to the eye. Number 3. Infographic by Alex DNDZ. Catch your audience's attention with the colorful elements and placeholders included in this pack. The illustrations feature human silhouettes, cars, trophies, world maps, and 3D numbers that will give your design a positive and happy vibe. Number 2. Infographics by Mamanamsai. Present your information with strength and confidence with this template. The illustrations are minimal, and the graphic elements with rounded edges give the infographics a cleaner, elegant finish. Number 1. Infographic Brochure by Miles Work. Combining an executive design and colorful elements to highlight your information, Miles Work has designed a kit that gives a friendly and experienced feeling to keep your audience engaged while consuming your bite-sized content. So that's it, the 10 best infographic design kits for 2022. Which template was your favorite? Leave us a comment below to let us know, and don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Want to see more from Envato? Click on the video thumbnail shown on your screen. See you later!